Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub with
Shamaila Najam.
and both of us we are in Kumrat Valley. It's very cold. That's why I'm holding my own jacket. Right? I've wrapped my jacket around my legs
And I'm
so that I
wearing
feel
my own
comfortable.
jacket.
Yes. So Shamaila, what's on the menu today?
Okay, well, this video actually ये वीडियो जो है ना हमारी वो है जीटी के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जनरल ट्रेनिंग वालों के लिए, ठीक है। असद इसमें मैं ना लेटर राइटिंग से रिलेटेड आपसे पूछना चाह रही हूँ। अच्छा, पहले मैं चाह रही हूँ कि हम लोग डिस्कस करें फॉर्मल लेटर।
Okay, yeah, we discussed formal
हाँ
letter. That's very important.
हाँ जी।
And the most important essay type is also formal letter.
हाँ
No
जी।
problem. Listen, every letter in Ielts general training writing task 1 has 5 parts.
Okay.
And by the way, if you are academic student, watch this video because after 3-4 years you will have to take Ielts again.
हाँ जी, और आपको
And
भी लेटर लिखना पड़
most
सकता है।
definitely, most definitely it's possible. So letter has 5 parts. Part 1 is called salutation. I will explain it all.
Okay.
And whatever I say now, this is related to formal letter. I'll make separate video for semi-formal and informal. Okay. Part 1 is salutation, and these parts are same in every letter type. Whether you write formal, semi-formal, informal, these 5 parts are same.
Okay.
Part 1 is salutation. Salutation is dear sir or madam and all that. In formal letter, when we write salutation, we write dear sir or madam, comma. Sir S capital, madam M capital. Dear sir or madam and then there is comma.
अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन मेरा। अच्छा असद, इसमें मुझे ये बताएं कि इसमें हम नाम चीज मेंशन नहीं कर
No,
सकते।
formal letter. That's a very good question, Shamaila. I appreciate that. In formal letter, in and formal letter, yeah. So whenever you write formal letter, you write this letter to someone you don't know, whose name you don't know. The person is not related to you. So when you don't know the name, gender of the person, that is why we start with dear sir or madam, comma. Okay.
अच्छा, एक और चीज असद, मुझे ये बताइएगा जो फॉर्मल लेटर है उसमें ये मस्ट है कि आपको नहीं पता नाम।
Absolutely, that is why it is formal letter. When they say write a letter to the bank manager, write a letter to complain about this thing, or write a letter to make a complaint about this thing. So you don't know the recipient. Write a letter to the airport baggage manager or anything like that. So you don't know whether the person is male, female, and all that. So dear sir or madam. After that, you will leave a line. Second part is called statement of purpose. Statement of purpose means why are you writing this letter? What's the purpose? And in statement of purpose, it's a paragraph where we write only 2 sentences. Sentence number, or you can write one compound sentence. That is better, guys. One compound sentence is better. Who you are and why you are writing this letter. I mean, who you are? I am an account holder of your bank. Who you are? I am a frequent flyer of your airline. And why are you writing? If it is a letter of complaint, you can write, I'm writing this letter to complain about this. I'm writing this letter to let you know about your services and all that. So this is called statement of purpose, and this is first paragraph of your letter. 2 things you write, who you are and why you are writing this letter, and try to write a compound sentence.
Okay, good.
See, I'm at a good location. I'm enjoying a lot. That's why I'm making good videos.
अच्छा सर, एक और चीज, सीट्स ना बड़ी कंफर्टेबल
बहुत foldable seats है, and I'm feeling very cozy now after this jacket and all that. Okay, now we go on. Shamaila, I'm enjoying a lot. Believe you me, it's really fun to be here. Very
और वेदर भी बहुत अच्छा है.
Now, after that, again you will leave a line. After each part of these letters, you will leave a line. Then the third part is what we call letter details. In letter, they give you topic and then 3 bullet points.
ये भी body होगी letter की?
Yeah, this is going to be the, I mean, all that is body.
Okay.
After salutation, it's the body of the letter. Now, letter details. In the letter topic, they give you 3 bullet points. Right? Sometimes 4 bullet points, but mainly 3 bullet points. Now, in letter details, you are going to cover these bullet points.
Okay.
Right?
In
So,
one paragraph?
It depends now.
Okay.
Yes, exactly. You can join 2 bullet points in 1 paragraph, or you can write one paragraph for another bullet point, or you can write about all 3 bullet points in 3 short paragraphs, or you can write about all 3 bullet points in 1 long paragraph. But advisable is join the first two bullet points, write one paragraph about them, and the last bullet point, write a separate paragraph about them. So this is called letter details, and this is the third part of your letter. After that, we have fourth part of your letter. And in letter writing, after every paragraph, after every part, you will leave a line. Leaving a line is important. Okay? Then we have this fourth part of the letter. This is called statement of request. When we close the letter, there we have statement of request. What is statement of request? Whatever the action you want the recipient of the letter to take, that is what we call statement of request.
Okay, जो आप expect कर रहे हो कि ये action लिया जाए.
Absolutely,
Okay,
absolutely.
great.
And in statement of request also you write a couple of lines. Right? I hope you are going to do this and that and all that.
होनी चाहिए तकरीबन?
Two lines.
Two lines.
Two sentences. Two
Okay.
sentences are fine. So this is statement of request, and statement of request includes closing of the letter.
Okay.
They also call it farewell and closing. Now farewell and closing of the letter has two parts. As we are talking about formal letter, so the closing of formal letter is, I look forward to your quick reaction to resolve this issue. If it is a letter of complaint, I look forward to your kind help towards the solution of this problem, right? This sentence, and then after that, when you write formal letter, at the end of formal letter, you write best regards, formal, no, yours faithfully, I'm sorry.
Yours faithfully.
When you write formal letter, there you write yours faithfully, yours Y capital, faithfully F capital, and then there should be comma. And below comma, after leaving a line, you will write your actual name. For example, yours faithfully, comma, leave a line, and below that I will write Asad Yaqub. So these are 5 parts of the letter, and this is the language we use whenever we write a formal letter.
अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन और है सर, लास्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम माय साइड ना, तो मैं ये पूछना चाह रही थी कि yours faithfully, sorry, इसके अलावा कोई और फ्रेज भी यूज हो सकती है?
Yes, but that is for informal. That is for semi-formal. I will make separate video for that.
मैं ये पूछना चाह रही हूँ कि फॉर्मल में ही इसके अलावा कोई और?
In formal letter, we only use, it's going to rain anytime.
No,
in formal letter, we are going to actually use this yours faithfully, and then we are going to close the letter.
Okay.
So once again, I give you recapitulation. Introduction, that is what we call greetings. Dear sir or madam. I'm talking about formal letter only.
Okay.
Dear sir or madam, that is going to be the first part. Statement of purpose, letter details, statement of request, farewell. And all these 5 parts, leave a line after each part, leave a line after each paragraph, and it's going to be fine.
Great. ये तो
Okay, absolutely.
इतना इजी तरीके से आपने बता दिया, मेरा भी दिल कर रहा है अभी जाके लेटर लिखूं।
Yeah,
लेकिन
exactly.
किसको लिखूं भी ये नहीं समझ।
No problem, you can write me a letter, no problem. So guys, all the best. I also teach Ielts online all over the world and on campus in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub and
Shamaila Najam.
we both wish you best of luck from Kumrat Valley. It's raining already. It's drizzling already.
Yeah.
In the next video, we'll have an umbrella.
Yeah.
So take good care of yourselves. And I want Yasin to give you a 360 view, right? Exactly. This is the northern area of Pakistan. It's in the north of Pakistan. And Kumrat Valley is very, very famous. It's very popular, this beautiful river. And you can see our jeep over there, right? Our friends are there, my team members are there. And we are all working together, right? This is so good. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'll come to Kumrat again and again and again. All the best, guys. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.
खुदा हाफिज।